Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add or switch accounts in Facebook Messenger. Now let's begin. Right here, do note that I have already installed the Messenger application in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version. In case you have not, do update it right now. What we're gonna look at right now is how to add or switch accounts in Facebook Messenger. Right here at the very top, you will find a button like this next to chat with some 3 lines. Just click on it. And something like this will open up from right here. Now we simply need to go to the settings. It's the gear-like icon on the top right. Just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. What you need to do is simply scroll down till you find something like switch accounts. It's normally under the safety tab. Just click on the switch account button right here. Now this is the switch account tab. Do note what it's saying that we can add up to 5 accounts on this device and we'll be able to switch between them and see your messages. Right now, as you can see, I only have 1 account. As I want to add other accounts, simply click on this add account button right here. Now something like this will open up. It's gonna ask you to enter your email address and your password. Just enter both of them. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the login button right here. Then you will see something like this. It's gonna ask whether or not to save your login info. I'm simply gonna click on save. And that's it guys. Now let's see the accounts that I have in this mobile device. Simply follow the previous steps. This button right here. Click on the settings button. And right here are the accounts that I have. If you simply want to switch accounts, click on the account that you want to search with. I want to search myself with this account right here, so I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna hit on continue. If it asks for your password, do enter your password and simply hit on login. And there you go. That's how we add or switch accounts in Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.